we're gonna use today this all-in-one bundle by Ampersand. It brings 11 by 14 by 3/4 cradle board that has been just already, and it also has the floor frame, and it is perfect because once I have all the attachments in the back, so once you're finished you just have to put it in the frame and that's it. So we're gonna use this. I'm gonna put the link to the supplies in the description for the video. I always put in the description for the video, I put a link to the classroom, and there you'll find all the supplies that I'm using. I am using the following paints today. They are Diacetyl Purple, Medium Magenta, Primary Blue, Light Blue Permanent, and Tallow Cyanide Green. These are Liquitex Basics. And then from Amsterdam, I am using Yellowish Green. So these are the colors that I'm using today, and hopefully this is going to be a gorgeous board. Caramba. Okay, that was not good. But it was meant to be, you know? It was meant to be. Everything happens for a reason. I'm going to move this one. Everything happens for a reason. Don't you worry. My hands are not too strong, so it's hard for me to do that flip. So probably we'll pour them all. Yes. Let's see. Let's do the other one. Okay. It wants to go that way, that's okay. It's gonna be pretty, you'll see. I'm going to use that white in there to tilt and sip in there, and that one to tilt and sip in there. just loving these colors. I'm gonna do this one first. And torch right away. To loose, and then do the other one in there, and tilt in there. I'm just loving these colors. One thing I don't like is that I have a white line in there. Let's break that in there. I have pink in here that I can bring in there. Okay, so let's torch again. Especially on those okay, so I'm gonna break that in there. So let's see what I can do. I don't have too many colors left in the cups. Ooh, and I love that what is happening in there. So maybe, let's see. Move it this way. Move that way. And then I can take that line from there. Make those beautiful cells bigger. So we can move it this way. fix that in there. Let's fix the other corner. Bring it back. I have to move that line from the middle. Make it prettier. I really love that section. And that's not bad. It's that this line in here, I don't want to lose all that. Okay, I think I'm going to be brave, and I'm just going to continue this lining here up to there, and maybe that will be better. With this color that I have in here. And let's see. Torch. Torch, torch, torch. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Just inventing. Okay, so let's put it this way, maybe this way. Let's torch that. Okay, I'm just gonna leave that section in there and probably this section. Let's see how I'm gonna do this. See, let's put it this way. Maybe I can put it that way. bring it back. I think I'm going to do it this way too. That way. Let's see. I can put some in there. That's probably what I'm gonna do before I torch. Cause I don't like that section. It's looking a tiny bit, was looking a little bit grayish. Some areas only I want to torch, not everywhere. I think I'm gonna leave it that way. There you go. I hope you like what we did. Please subscribe to the channel and come back for other videos. Thank you for joining me. Bye bye.